So it's finally warm enough for us to reinstall our rainwater collection barrel, but we're going to revamp it a bit this year. We've got a second barrel we're going to add to it, and then we're going to build a rack to raise the whole thing up about 16 inches. Makes it a little easier for filling up a pail underneath. Even with the steel roof and a screen on the top of the barrel, you still manage to get a lot of debris in the bottom of the barrel. So we're hoping the two barrels are going to kind of eliminate that. They want to act like a sediment tank. There, I've got the stand all built. It's not going to win no woodworking awards, but it'll do the trick. So I've got the two hose barbs installed. I just got to cut a piece of line to connect those two. So when the first tank fills up, it'll spill over into the second tank. So now I've got to mark and cut these downspouts to allow for the extra height of the barrels. Okay, so here's the complete setup. The two downspouts come down and dump into the first one. Then when it fills up, the water will flow through that clear hose and fill up the second one. So I'm hoping the first one will catch most of the debris off the roof, like any dust or dirt that settles up there. So I'm hoping the second one will end up being a little clearer water. They do have screens on top to stop most of the bigger stuff from falling down in. So it's gonna be nice to have the second barrel this year. Last year we had the one. It always worked. We never ran out, but it was always tight, especially on a long weekend in the summertime where you don't get much rain. It's supposed to rain this afternoon, so hopefully I can come out and get some actual footage of them in use. So when I get a chance, I'll mix up some more of that Lifetime wood treatment and treat that rack there as well. So it's been raining pretty steady for about an hour now. That might not seem like much water coming out of there, but it's already above this second valve on this first bucket. So it doesn't take long to get quite a bit of water. you guys have any thoughts or comments on this system or questions, let me know. Alrighty, thanks for watching. Take care.